Hey guys, it's Caitlin here over at Clawson Honda Service Department. Today we're going to be discussing scheduled maintenance. Routine car maintenance is mandatory to keep your vehicle running properly. From oil changes to tune-ups, we know your vehicle needs to keep it running smoothly. At Clawson Honda, we recommend scheduled maintenance at 30, 60, and 90,000 miles.
Today we are going to look at one example of a 30,000 mile tune-up. Of course, this can vary from vehicle to vehicle, but it will give you a good idea of what this tune-up looks like. Today we will be doing a transmission service, oil change, brake flush, filter check, and a tire rotation. Now let's take a look. After the engine inspection is completed, our technician will raise your vehicle to drain both the brake fluid and the used oil. While the fluids are draining, the tech will then perform the tire rotation. In a tire rotation, tires are moved from the front of the vehicle to the back to ensure even wear of the tread. Once the fluids are drained and the tires have been rotated, the vehicle is then lowered. Next, the technician will fill the vehicle with fresh oil and transmission fluid. After the fluids are replaced, our technician will run the vehicle through its gears to ensure the transmission fluid is correctly distributed. Finally, the tech will check your air filters to determine if they need to be replaced. One final check of the fluids and you're ready for the road.
Thanks for watching, and when it's time for your service appointment, call Clawson Honda. We'll see you soon!